Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon and then tap on it. In settings, find the option called display and brightness. It's going to be right here below Bluetooth. Then tap on it. And right here we have this brightness slider, and we can adjust the screen brightness. And by tapping on the icons on the left and right side of the screen. You can also use the crown if you want to by basically rotating it. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.